When was the last time you read your vehicle's owner's manual? Be honest. For many people, the answer is simply never, which when you think about it, is absolutely bizarre. Because if you're investing 40, 50, 60, 70, or $80,000 into a piece of equipment that you rely on every single day, you would think that you would want to know every available feature and every available safety component and everything that matters to keeping your investment well. It just blows my mind. The majority of people don't even think about it, don't even care. They get in, they drive, car works until it doesn't, but they don't know about neat features or certain quirks on the vehicle or why their model in particular is better and why they paid the extra $5,000 or $10,000 over the base model with the features that they don't realize that they have. The engineers who designed your vehicle likely took years to come up with its final rendition. Then they wrote a manual explaining exactly how to take care of it, what fuel to use, how often to service it, what all those warning lights mean, what tire pressure to run, how to operate that four-wheel drive system, what maintenance schedule to follow, how to use the safety features of the vehicle. It's all there. We search on YouTube, yet most of us never open it. Instead, we ask our neighbor. We watch random videos online, or we believe something that we learned 20 years ago when we first started driving and think that it still applies to this new piece of technology. A perfect example is when people ask me, Mike, when should I change my vehicle's transmission fluid? That answer is not the same for every vehicle. The correct answer is whatever your vehicle manufacturer recommends, based on how that transmission was engineered. The same thing goes for engine oil, for coolant, spark plugs, transfer case service, differential service. Every vehicle is different. Your owner's manual removes the guesswork.